Oh man, oh no. That's a good one.
Catch one.
Nice little chunk right there. Really good one.
Got our 20th one now. Got it. I hear some weesies. Oh, that guy put it up.
Go what?
I said, so where's that guy that his hooks are about you? Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
Maybe that.
Oh man, oh no. Dude, that was a giant. Oh no. The boat, dude.
I know. Should've got the net.
Freaking giant.
Alright, that's a loss of bait. No, got him. Look at this. Look at this thing. Got him. Well, can I film out? Sure. Let me come.
Oh, that bait up there.
Oh, God. I just threw it up there and I had to get a bird in it. Thought, he's at it. I just started reeling it. Imagine I have one. Dad, can I try those two? Can I try those two?
I had a giant, dude.
Yeah, so good. Hey, I want the for yard and my boat. Better than the one. Oh, I got them. Oh, God. Woo! Give it that. He ate a fish, and he just spit it out. I'm not even. Oh my! He keeps spitting out flipping fish. I'm not even gonna get it. Look, he spit out one, two, three.
That's some fish. That's why they're up there jumping, dude. That's a good one, dude.
And we got a blobber.
That was.
Oh wait!
There's something just moved over there.
That's gotta be at least a 5 pound.
Okay.
I'm trying to weigh you. I'm trying to weigh you, buddy.
Careful up there. Some branches.
Yeah. That's where I keep catching all my fish. Up there. No, that's a big one. Maybe not. That's something.
3 pounder?
The heck? I caught a rock. What the fuck? I did not.
Just cross that second there, that little pointer. You ready to fish now?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I just had it.
A little bit better.
I don't want to get on me.
Pliers?
Thought I had one.
Cars are right Here.
Thank you, sir.
Daddy, almost every catch so we're catching fish.
A decent one.
Dad, I got him, but he got off.
Yeah. Like that.
Dad, that's probably the fish that we try. Nice catch.
You know what? I might get in that tournament. A little boat tournament.
Because and you're that's where I got some fish.
I caught some decent ones, dude.
Hey, I just saw a little bit jump over my line.
Look at that.
Yeah, I saw
Catching some hammers out here. Look at that. Some good bait, but let's see. Alright, so this is the crankbait I'm using.
Can I
Hang
hold
on,
on?
hang on. And this is the bait they're chasing. Oh, oh, oh.
Why does it keep popping
That's what they're
around?
chasing.
Alright. Now get back out in the water.
Yeah, we have time.
Oh my god.
Yeah, can I eat that one?
No,
Oh, this is. Wait,
it's tiny, dude.
can I?
It's tiny. You can put it in the live well if you want.
No way! No way!
Caught a shad.
Like, no way.
That's a good one.
You think we should eat that one?
Decent little bass. With a fat belly on it. Look at that fat belly.
When you already do bait with it, probably heavy.
That one?
Let's get in that. Get in that.
Another stripe. Oh, put the net down. Net in the water. There you go.
There we go.
Pick him up.
He's heavy. It's heavy.
Yeah. Thank you, buddy.
That guy's heavy.
Pliers?
We got another striper. We got a striper.
Dang, he swallowed the heck out of that thing.
Dad, look how much blood is coming out of him.
He got a lot of blood. Let's see.
Dad, we got another striper.
Oh, blood all over my stuff.
Oh, he's wobbly.
Another big old striper. That one could be good eating, probably.
He's bloody.
I wouldn't doubt it.
Ah, he made a big splash.
Things are tough.
17 foot right here.
17?
Yeah.
Another good one.
Got our 20th one now.
Pull it up just like that, okay?
Oh my gosh, right here, right at the boat.
Wrap it up. That's a good one, dude.
Right here, right at the fucking boat.
Don't pull it up so high with your rod tip. You're gonna break it. There you go, 7 times.
I think they just want the shad. I think they just want the crankbait. Oh my fucking gosh!
That a good one?
I think so.
You got a stick.
Oh yeah, that's a big one.
Watch your rod tip.
That's a big guy.
That looks pretty good.
He has orange eyes. I think it's gonna keep hurting forever.
Watch out, Mom. I'm gonna hit you.
It's a nice day out. I also got underwear on.
Please don't leave me.
No, leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
I've been attached to you too long. Just leave me alone.
Dad, not.
Who's there?
You're up.
You're up here.
No, you're up here. Catch one?
Yes. Go.
We might get off. So I have a net already.
Put the net in the water. Put it in the water.
I have it in the water.
You can't hold it above the water. It's not a basketball hoop.
Oh,
Thank you, sir.
my pleasure. That's a pretty nice one. How much?
2.2. 2.2. Not a bad one.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Nice bass.
Bye bye. Ew.
Oh, wow.
You didn't even know you had one, did you?
All right, the boat.
I'm surprised that other one's still alive.
That's a good one.
Tournament today? We win.
Got another decent one. Can't complain. They're eating today. Is that my bait?
Got it. Wait. Might be good. Oh, here you go.
Mad.
Daddy, can I throw him in?
Absolutely.
No, that ain't your thing. So it's goldfish.
It was out of the water and went in there. Catch one?
Oh my gosh. Oh, too late.
Sorry. Boom, there you go. Oh, you got hooked in the net. Thank you, buddy.
I got.
Just going over there. That's what it is. So,
Oof.
Very, very careful.
But I got wee.
little one.
You catch one?
Yeah, that little one.
Can I throw that one in?
I'm throwing it
I like little ones.
in. And I like to throw my own fish.
Ow! I can gently throw get them in.
Look at that too. Yeah, look at that.
Nice little
Got another.
Now, can I throw that one in?
Yeah.
It's little.
Gosh, you just want to be the net man since you're not even fishing around?
Here you go. Oh, it's a little dinky.
Gosh, do you want to be the net man?
He's fishing.
What without?